Welcome to Tikiliper channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix File Explorer constantly crashing on your Windows 10 laptop or desktop computer. So at first, just go to your search and search for Control Panel. Just open up Control Panel from here. Then just expand this and make sure View By is set to large icons. And then just from here, go to File Explorer Options. Just open this. Then from here, what you need to do is just click on Restore Defaults. Just click on this, click on apply, click on OK. Okay. After that, what you need to do is just close everything and just go to search again and open up CMD. Just open this. Then I'll give you a list of commands. Just type them one by one. Just type the first one first, then the second one, and then the third one. Just do this and just go ahead and restart your system. It should help. And after that, the last step, what you can do is just right click on your taskbar and go to Task Manager. From here, you need to search for Windows Explorer. There you go. Just right click on it and click on Restart. This is gonna restart the whole Windows Explorer for you. And that is how you can fix Windows Explorer constantly crashing on your Windows 10 laptop or desktop computer. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.